I am Amanda Emenecker, and I am a teacher. I was having some severe back pain and along with really bad migraine headaches, so I was recommended by my in-laws to go to Draeger Chiropractic. It was really hard to do my job with the back pain because I was bending down a lot to get at the kids' levels and lifting and moving things around. And then when I got home, I was couch bound. I couldn't do much because of the pain. The migraine headaches I was getting were so severe I could only be in a dark room for hours. They were awful. It was I would lose parts of my vision and my hand would go numb. The doctor that read my x-rays, Dr. Jim, I hadn't met him before, and he walked in and said, "You must get really bad headaches." So he knew that I was already getting headaches before I had talked to him at all about it, just from reading the x-rays. It was very overwhelming to get all that information at the consultation when they went over my x-rays, because they found that my neck had formed backwards, so it was curved going the other way as a normal neck would be, and I had not known that my entire life. So it explained a lot of the pain I'd been having and a lot of the migraine headaches. It means a lot to me to not use any pain medicines or narcotics to deal with the pain, just because I don't want to be putting anything in my body that I don't need to. If there's alternative ways to deal with this that doesn't include medicine or needles especially, I wanted to try that first. My chiropractor recommended that I try a spinal decompression and a laser therapy. The entire process was actually very relaxing. It felt good immediately. I was surprised at how well it worked. It was a different experience because I'd never been to a chiropractor before, but they helped me a lot. They sit down and ask you, how you're feeling, what's been going on every single time you go in there, even if you're there several days a week, which I was. I have gone a very long time without having any pain, and I haven't had a migraine headache for over 6 months. I have highly recommended Draeger Chiropractic because it solved my problems. They helped me through every issue I was having, and still to this day, if I'm having even if I have a mild headache or I'm having a back pain at all, I go right in there and they help me. I recommend them to everyone that I know that has back problems because they did a lot for me than I ever knew they could.